Welcome back once again to Magnifica Craft YouTube channel. Today we are working on another macrame pattern. As you can see here, I have green color of 2 cords. I'm going to tie the edge here this way. The pattern I'm making, we are going to use it for a bracelet, though it could be used for many things in macrame craft. Now the first thing you are going to do, you have 2 ropes here, both are lead cords. I will start from my left hand side. I'll cross it over this way. I'll pull it out here. You do the same here. You bring it in. You pull it out. You continue this way. Put it in. Bring it out. Now you can see we are done with the pattern. So you can see we are done with the pattern. The next step now is to now make our joining with a square knot. So you can see what I've done. This is it. You bring this in here this way. You pull this up a little. You have this. Then you pick your rope. Something like 50 to 70 cl will do. You make a square knot, you put it in here, you cross it over this way, cross this over just like you make your normal square knot. You pull it tight to secure. You can see what I've done. Then you do the same thing here, bring it over like this way. You do the same thing. See what we've done. You can decide to make it 2, but I'm going to make mine 3. Secure with the last one. So you can see when you are done, these 2 here you will cut off. You cut off this, and then you bond it this way. The same thing here. On this way. Then you have your pattern now. You can see. Now that we are done with the pattern, the next thing is to put in our bead. We are using green. You put it in. You can see. Then we secure it. Do the same thing here. We are going to use 4 beads in all. So after we fix in the bead, you cut off the excess rope. Cut it off. Then you secure by burning the tip this way. You do the same thing here. So you can see we have it here. You can have it in various colors. You could make it multiple color, that's 2 colors. You can make it 1 color like this, of any color of your choice. So we're going to put it on so that you see so you can see the finished product. I told you you could make it in multiple, that is more than 1 color. You can see these ones. You can see. So thank you for your time. We believe you enjoyed the tutorial. We'd like you to try your hand on something. Subscribe to our channel so that you'll get more from our tutorials. We'll see you in our next video.